Want to learn new skills for free and even earn certificates? Whether you're upgrading your career, exploring a new passion, or just love learning, there are incredible websites offering top-notch courses without costing a dime. In this video, we'll dive into the best platforms where you can learn from the world's top universities and companies for free. First up, we have Coursera. This platform offers free courses from universities like Stanford, Yale, and even Google. You can audit most courses for free, and if you want a certificate, you can either pay or apply for financial aid. Want to boost your resume with a professional certificate? Coursera is a great option. Next on the list is edX, a powerhouse of online education. Founded by Harvard and MIT, edX offers thousands of courses in business, computer science, and even humanities. You can enroll in courses for free, and if you need a verified certificate, you can upgrade later. Learning from Ivy League professors for free? Sign me up. You've probably heard of Udemy, but did you know they also have free courses? Unlike other platforms, Udemy focuses more on industry-specific skills, like programming, marketing, and graphic design. Just search for free courses on Udemy, and you'll find hundreds of valuable lessons at no cost. If you're looking for free courses with certificates, Allison is a fantastic choice. They provide free diploma and certificate courses in everything from IT to business management. The courses are free, and you only pay if you want a physical certificate. If you're job hunting, an Allison certificate can give you an edge. Last but not least, we have Khan Academy. While it's mostly known for K-12 education, Khan Academy also offers college-level math, science, and even economics courses, all 100% free. Their short, engaging lessons make complex topics easy to understand. If you're a student or lifelong learner, this is a must-visit site. So there you have it, 5 incredible websites where you can learn new skills and even earn certifications for free. Whether you're looking to boost your career, switch fields, or just expand your knowledge, these platforms have something for everyone. Which website are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more amazing content.